Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I'm going to start this project off with this board that I got at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to take a deep red color and paint all around the edges and the back. And I even went a little bit onto the front along the sides. Once I have that all painted, I am going to take some sandpaper and I'm going to sand around all of my edges. Once it's all sanded, I am going to take my ink applicator and I'm going to apply some black paint around all the edges to give it an aged look. I'm just going to go all the way around. I made sure that I got the back as well as the front. And I just put some black paint on my applicator and used that. So once I have that all done, I'm going to take this fabric that I ripped to fit the front of it, and it's just like a buffalo check. It's a red and black check fabric, and I think this came from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just going to Mod Podge that onto the front. So I'm just going to cover this whole front with a good coat of Mod Podge, and then I'm going to lay that fabric right on top of that. Make sure that it's all down. Go around those edges again. And then I'm going to let that dry. Next, I'm going to take this ornament that I got from Walmart, and I'm going to cut off the hanger. These were only 98 cents. They had quite a few different styles, so you can kind of pick what you want. They have Rudolph and Frosty and Santa. Then I'm just going to add some hot glue to the back of this, and I'm going to glue that right to the center of my fabric. And look how cute that is. And I love the color. And now that I have the glue that oozed out gone, I am going to take some greenery and I'm going to glue that right to the top of the ornament. So I just took 2 pieces of greenery that I had pulled off of a pick from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to put those on either side and meet them in the middle. Just kind of hold them on so that they are secure and they don't fall off on me. And then I am going to take some berries, and these are like darker berries. When I cut that one, it went flying. I'm just going to trim these all down and pull them right off this pick. This is a pick that I have pulled a ton of stuff off of. And then I am going to glue those all in the center of that greenery. So I'm just going to add some glue and then put my little berries down. Kind of like a little cluster. And that is it. This project is done. I think this turned out so super cute. I love the vintage vibe to it. And it was really, really easy to make. Thank you guys for watching. Hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.